Let's talk a little bit about culture. We know, I think we all know that you can't make change within an organization by just a single person. So I'm curious, what have you done to help affect the culture of maintenance and reliability at the University of Kansas Medical Center?
Yeah, great question. So I don't know if anybody's ever read Ron Moore's book, Making Common Sense Common Practice. If you haven't read it, I recommend you read it. The reason why I say that is because he touches on some culture pieces in that book. And he comes out with this analogy about these people being in a boat, and you have like your active resistors, your passive resistors, and those people that are just going to be on board no matter what, right? So thankfully I had been in this organization long enough where I kind of knew the people that would be on board from day one, right? And I also knew the people who were the passive resistors, if you will, that are just standing there with their arms crossed, like, well, I'm just going to see what, how this goes, and then I'll make my decision. So I thought it was really important to get the people I knew that would just jump on it right away, to get them in, and then use them as champions as well. Kind of, to me, I'm the champion of this, but I got to bring other champions on board. So I use them as champions as well to kind of start communicating it. And we're not there yet. We still have a ways to go. But again, it's a journey. And, we all kind of understand that journey. But us champions, we get together and we hope to influence those passive resistors, which we've slowly started doing through, a lot of the changes we're making. And then through that, hopefully we get those active resistors in.
Absolutely. And I'm also going to do a big shout out to you too, LaWayne. I think one thing that drives a lot of culture within an organization is painting that picture of what is our goal 5 years out.
Yeah, most definitely.
Once you guys all have that, common goal, it becomes a lot more clear about why we need to do this and what kind of change we need to make today. So, that to me, this is a big shout out to you for doing that. And I think that's huge in terms of culture for the team.
Well, thank you.